Hello everyone, this is Ants Dungeon here. Welcome back to the channel. Got a little update for you. I'm doing a ant experiment. Now, I did try doing an experiment before on the channel and I've just completely forgot about it. This one I'm not going to because, for one, I labeled all the colonies for this experiment, and two, I think it's a very specific experiment, so it should be interesting to try. And as usual, and as I will try, I will bring you guys along to view the experiment. Now, if you see, there's colony A, B, C, and D. Now, there's 4 of them, but they're all the same species. Camponotus pamvacus. Now, as far as how the experiment will go, it goes like this. Now, these 3 colonies have all the same liquid feeders, except for this one. And I'll explain that later. The main test is to see what happens food-wise when a colony grows. So for my experiment, I will be trying something a little bit different. For this experiment, this colony will get about half the protein. Well, not half, but less than this colony will. This colony will get the normal amount of protein that I would give any of my other colonies that have the same size. This colony will get extra. My theory is that when I give this queen extra protein, yep, she's right there. She hasn't discovered the war thing yet, or hasn't decided to move to it yet. My hypothesis is this queen, since she'll have extra protein, she'll hopefully make more eggs, while this one, since it'll have less protein, will make less eggs. And this one should be in a normal ratio, despite being all the same species. Now, back to this one, where, like I said, it has a different liquid feeder than these ones. These ones all have, you know, what you call the normal size liquid feeders. This one has what is referred to as a medium, which I think it's 1 milliliter, 5 milliliters. I think the large one is a 10 milliliter. I'll pop a picture or something, or I'll show it at the end of the video. Yeah, this one has a much larger liquid feeder. Now, my hypothesis with that is that since these guys have normal size ones, you know, well, for their size, in theory, these ones should have very ill energetic workers and should be able to want to be active more than these ones, which will have less. I know it sounds a little hinky, but it's, like I said, it's a hypothesis. For starters, all the colonies have similar amount of workers. When I put them all in, or when I first got them, I mean, they all had 5 workers. Since then, I think 1 from this one died, and 2 from this one died. So obviously the numbers are going to be a little off, but yet again, hypothesis. In theory, there should be more in this one than this one and this one at the end of this. I'm going to be trying this experiment until hibernation, and then I will probably forget about it. But I will try my best to remember. If I do, I will continue it after hibernation, which I think is in like 3 or 4 months or something like that, and I can't really remember. I'm horrible with that kind of stuff when it comes to the hibernation. I usually gotta ask my Discord group about that stuff. Right now, obviously, there's 1 colony which has all but except for the scout out. This one still has the queen out and a scout. Same thing with this one. With the first one is just having a scout out, and this one is the most recent put in, so I'm not surprised that the queen's still out in this one. I literally just put them in right before I start this video. And this one, well, I think she's just being stubborn because all of her eggs are down here, same with all the other ones. Now, if you notice, all of these look a little hinky in their setups. Now, the reason behind that is because these are not new buys. These are actually, oop, what's going on here? What's this? Huh. I think we just saw a worker yell at the queen, you know, in their own way, which is actually pretty cool. Oh, wait, here they go again. Is that worker telling the queen to follow her? I think we just got a separate queen. She seems not to want to follow. Oh, wait. Did not expect to catch it on camera. And I think you can actually see it right there. That is actually really cool. I did not expect that to see it on camera. I thought by the time I was done with everything, all of them would already be in them, so I don't get anything cool like that. Sweet. Yeah, so as far as feeding goes, a little bit less normal, extra in normal, but more of a liquid feeder. So I should be having to fill these off more often without touching this one as often, you know, liquid feeder wise. And for today, I'm actually going to start with waxworm. I gotta deal with this at my local pet store. So for right now, I'm just going to try and feed in these. For YouTube guidelines, I will actually be killing them off camera and then throwing them in. And then next video, you guys will hopefully see them eating. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe. As always, have a great day.